You're watching Pep Talk India's YouTube channel. My name is Rocky Sagu and I'm in Switzerland today. I would like to talk to you about 4 things, 4 types of disciplines that will guarantee your success. 4 types of disciplines, not one. You need 4 types of disciplines. Number 1, physical discipline. You know why? If you're physically fit, you can have a long life. You'll feel better. You feel energized. So make sure you take care of your health, because health is wealth. Second, emotional discipline. Look, if you want to succeed in life, you need to keep your emotions in check. That's very, very important. If you're merely a slave of your emotions, you'll have to cry. People will make fun of you. They'll make use of you simply because you're merely slave of your emotions. So make sure you keep your emotions in check and become emotionally disciplined. Third, number 3, become mental discipline. Of course, emotional discipline is a part of mental discipline. So you need mental discipline. And how to maintain that? You feed your mind with great knowledge, with positive environment, with good people. You feed your mind with positivity, with practicality. You need mental discipline. Number 4, financial discipline. Look, I have less time, so I'm quick, and I'll be quick. Perhaps I might shoot more videos here staying in Switzerland because I'm here for a few more days for some work and family vacation. Financial discipline. You know the biggest mistake I've done in my life. In fact, 4 big mistakes, and these are the 4 big mistakes. I lacked physical discipline earlier, not anymore. Emotional discipline earlier, not anymore. Mental discipline for sure earlier. And the most important, financial discipline. You need to have financial discipline. You need to know where your money is going or where it is coming from. You need to control your unnecessary expenditure. You need to know your balance sheet. You need to control your emotions while spending money. You need to understand the game. Most of the big companies, they play on your emotions. That's why you want to shop for one thing online, but you end up shopping for 10, 20, 30 things. And most of the things you don't need at that time. So make sure you have financial discipline. In the market, iPhone 11 Pro is there. Make sure if you don't have money, do not buy this phone on installments. Do not pay interest. Do not pay installments. If you have money, buy this phone. There are so many things we want to buy, but we don't have money. So we end up paying interest to bank. So control and have these 4 disciplines. Always remember, physical discipline, mental discipline, emotional discipline, and financial discipline. You'll do good in life. Take care of these 4 disciplines. So I'm signing off. Take care. Bye-bye. See ya.